हेलो गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ ए होलो कोन। राइट। तो देखिए, ये मैंने एक होलो कोन तैयार किया है। होलो का मतलब है कि फ्रॉम इनसाइड इट इज एम्प्टी। राइट। फ्रॉम इनसाइड लुक एट इट, इट इज एम्प्टी। सो इट इज होलो कोन। इट इज हैविंग only surface area. This one, this is the surface area of the cone, and from inside it is empty. Right. So what we do, look at the diagram. This is the hollow cone. This is the axis of the cone. It is OL. Right. O is the vertex of the cone. So to find the gravity, what we do, we take a small portion of the cone in the form of a circular disc. Right. अभी मैं कट करके दिखाऊंगा आपको। इसमें से डिस्क कट करेंगे एक, so that you get a better view. See now, I have a scissor and this is the cone. I am going to cut it and I will take out a small disc out of the cone. See. And I have taken a disc. Right. This is the disc. I have taken this disc. See at it. This one. You can see this. So this is the circular disc that I have cut from the cone. Right. Suppose, now again see at the diagram. This is the disc and we take a point P on the surface of the cone, and the coordinates of the point P are x and y. So from O to B distance is x and the vertical distance from B to P is y. Right. We take m as mass per unit area, and I have written it. We cut a disc of width dx and radius y. Right. Because this is the axis of the cone and it will be the center of the disc. The point B will be the center of the disc. From the center to the boundary of the disc, the distance is y and it will act as the radius of the disc. Right. See here, I have taken this disc from the cone. This is the breadth of the disc dx. This is the radius of the disc. Right. I have shown this disc in the form of a strip by cutting it. Let us see. When we cut it, this is how it will appear. Suppose I cut it from this point and look at it. It is in the form of a strip. Width of the strip is dx. And what about the length of the strip? Tell me. What about the length of the strip? It is in fact the circumference. Right. This is the circumference of the disc. It is in fact a surface area of the disc. Right. So what will be the surface area of the disc? It is 2 pi into radius. That is 2 pi and radius is y. Right. And area of the disc will be, this is the length of the strip. See here, length of the strip multiplied by breadth dx. This will act as area of the strip. You got it? Now m is mass per unit area. That is 1 unit of area has mass m, and this total area will have mass as m multiplied by the total area. That is, now see at it. I have substituted the value of y from this diagram. See here, this is the right angle triangle OBP, and y is perpendicular, OB is base, OB is x, right? So perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So y equal to x tan theta, right? So here I have substituted the value of y as x tan theta. Now, as the disk is symmetrical about the axis of the cone, you can see here the disk is symmetrical about axis of the cone. So y coordinate of the gravity is 0, right? We have to find only the x component of the gravity, and you all know that the x component has the relation x bar equal to integral x dm divided by integral dm. Dm is the mass of the strip or circular disc that we have taken out from the cone. So simply put the value of dm, this one, this is dm, mass of the strip, and simply put the values of dm in the numerator as well as denominator. Some things will be cancelled out, like m, 2 pi, tan theta, they will cancel out. Remaining integrals will be integral x square with respect to x, इंटीग्रेट कर दीजिए आप, एंड डिनोमिनेटर में भी x इंटू ये dx है, राइट? विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x इंटीग्रेट कीजिए. आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन what we get after solving, integrating values put कीजिए, लिमिट्स पुट कीजिए, we will get 2h upon 3. It means the center of gravity is at a distance 2h by 3 from the vertex. अब देखिए वर्टेक्स से सी एट द डायग्राम, लुक एट द डायग्राम. वर्टेक्स से डिस्टेंस कहां पर आ गया? सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट G and O to G, this distance is 2h by 3. So what will be the distance from the base? It is h minus 2h upon 3, यानी कि h upon 3. So we have found the gravity of a hollow cone. It is located at a distance h by 3 from the base, or at a distance 2h by 3 from the vertex, right? Okay, thank you.